we do? Oh, let's do history. I'm sorry, Konrad, I forgot.
Okay.
I didn't turn the page. But
this week in 1940, did you know that Edsel Ford called William Knudsen, Bunky Knudsen?
Bunky Knudsen.
And he was in charge of the U.S. Office of Production Management and confirmed Ford's acceptance to build 9,000 Rolls-Royce designed engines to be used in British and U.S. airplanes. You know, if you remember the Allison V12, which was the engine of choice of the P-51 Mustang, I didn't realize Ford built those under contract. And then in 1940, also this week, Shirley Muldowney, the first lady of drag racing and friend of the show and friend of Stan and Sheila Holt, she was born in Schenectady, New York. She won the NHRA Top Fuel Championship in 77, 80, and 82. Also in 1947, William Clay Ford married Martha Firestone, uniting two of the greatest fortunes in American automotive history. Henry and Harvey Firestone had been close friends and allies during their lives. After Firestone received the exclusive contract to supply tires for the Ford Model T.
I give it a year.
Neither man lived to see the union of their families. But I thought that was a pretty cool story.
Yeah.
And then to tie back into the earlier interview we had, in 1952, Maurice Olley, Chevrolet's chief engineer, completed the chassis code named Opal, which became the 53 Corvette. He wrote this book, Chassis by Design, and I think it's still available today. But he worked for 25 years for Rolls-Royce, and then went to work for General Motors and Chevrolet, and it prepared him for the important role he played in the birth of the Corvette. In 1991, let's see if I can make the noise here.
Where am I going to hear it?
Don't know. Imagine a noise in your head.
Yeah. Well, let's just move on.
Let's just move on. We got less than a minute.
When Mazda won the Le Mans 24 Hours in their four-rotor engine. They said it was the loudest engine ever to run at Le Mans. And, that little four-rotor just sounded like a sewing machine going by. And, pretty cool. Very good-looking car, a historical car. And the car has been out, and they've shown the car at the Goodwood races as well recently. And then in 2001 this week, Fast and the Furious, the crime drama, the crime drama-based movie debuted with Vin Diesel and such. So that's this week in auto history.
Thank you very much. Time now for a quick break. We'll be right back here on the In Wheel Time Car Talk Show. Please stay with us.